Alright, so in this video we're going to try the cinnagraham toast crunch. We opened it, but we have not tried it yet. Separate first. I taste the cinnamon and the graham part a little bit. It mainly tastes like the original to me. Can you taste the graham?
Tastes kind of weird.
Weird. You gotta try it with milk. Wow, you can try two with milk.
It's like a burnt taste.
I don't get it. It tastes a little bit like that graham cereal, but mainly the normal cinnamon toast crunch to me. I don't know why all the stores are always sold out. Alright, so if you want to try it, go check your local Meijer or Kroger. Thanks for watching. Bye.